Hello, Roger Reimer from the Maybe Observatory, introducing my daughter Chelsea Woodland reading the second in a series of bedtime stories she created for her children. Here is the story of Nebby, the Nebula, and the Wandering Comet.
Nebby and the Wandering Comet. After Nebby, the colorful nebula, created a family of bright stars and made friends with the unique dark space monster, their corner of space was filled with light and beauty. But one day, a new adventure twinkled on the horizon when a shimmering comet named Comet Zoom zipped through their neighborhood, leaving a trail of ice and dust sparkling behind it. Comets are made of ice, dust, and small rocky parts, kind of like dirty snowballs flying through space. They travel around the sun, and when they get close, they start to melt a little bit, which makes them glow and leave behind their shiny tails. Comet Zoom was very special because it had traveled far across the Milky Way, our galaxy, which is home to billions of stars, just like the friends Nebby had made. However, Comet Zoom felt a bit lost. It had been zooming through space for so long, visiting so many different places, that it forgot where it came from. It felt lonely, not having a place to call home. Nebby, remembering how it felt to be lonely before finding its star family, wanted to help Comet Zoom. Nebby, its star friends, and the dark space monster came up with a wonderful idea. They decided to help Comet Zoom find a beautiful path through the galaxy, one that would let it visit many star families, but always lead it back to Nebby's neighborhood. They used their knowledge of space to chart this path. Nebby explained that stars are kind of like signposts in space, shining brightly to guide the way. The dark space monster, with its ability to make space around it darker, highlighted the path so Comet Zoom could see it clearly against the backdrop of the Milky Way. Comet Zoom was thrilled. With this new path, it could explore far and wide, visit other nebula, stars, and maybe even other comets. But it would always have a home to return to. It promised to share stories of the amazing things it saw on its travels each time it came back. Comet Zoom set off on its new journey. Nebby and its friends felt happy and proud. They had not only helped a friend, but also created a way to get stories from distant parts of the galaxy. Comet Zoom became a cosmic explorer with a loop around the sun that would always bring it back to its friends. Nebby's corner of the galaxy remained a place of friendship and learning. The end.